everyone. Welcome to today's session, Switching Gears, Smarter, Faster Accounting Made Simple. I'm Nuria, and I'll be guiding you through the next 25 minutes with us. So if you ever felt stuck in the admin slow lane, you are in the right place today. We're going to show you how to shift gears and pick up speed with Awesome and Aspire. So if you're a founder looking to free up your time with financial admin, we hope we can help you out. Before we begin, just a quick note, this session is being recorded. We'll also save time at the end for your questions. So if at any point you have anything that you'd like to ask, make sure to drop them in the chat below. Also, in this special edition, we are giving away 3 pairs of Formula One tickets. So if you'd like to know more about how to enter, how to get your hands on some, stay till the end for more details. We have some amazing speakers today with us. We have Sherman Leong, Tax and Accounting Manager here at Awesome, who spends her days helping businesses untangle messy books and stay on track. And we also have Rachel Bridgewell, Senior Account Manager at Aspire, who will show us how finance doesn't have to be a roadblock, but can actually fuel your growth. So for today's agenda, here's where we're headed today. We have why founders so often get stuck in the slow lane. We're going to be talking about the pain points in Singapore and Hong Kong, the smarter way forward with Awesome and Aspire, and finally, we'll have our open track Q&A. So let's dive right in. To kick us off, Sherman will talk about the slow lane, what it looks like for founders, and why all systems and compliance headaches can make it feel like being stuck in traffic. So Sherman, over to you.
Thanks, Nuria. Okay, now let's explore the unique challenges faced by the founders in Hong Kong. These obstacles can significantly hinder growth and divert attention from what truly matters, building their businesses. First, complex annual audits often slow down fundraising. This is a major pain point in Hong Kong where every company in Hong Kong must go through an annual audit. But this process can be long and complicated. When startups try to raise money, a difficult audit can put the deal at risk and make founders look unprepared. Second, company secretary obligations add layers of administration. These aren't just one-off tasks, they are ongoing mandatory requirements that take up valuable time and resources. And finally, we have strict bank account opening procedures. This is a common hurdle for new business in Hong Kong. The process can be opaque and time-consuming, preventing a founder from even getting their operation started smoothly. These aren't small issues. There are significant roadblocks that prevent founders from focusing on the strategy and growth. Next slide, please. I'll now share what the Singapore team has identified as the common pain points. If you have run a business in Singapore, this will probably sound familiar. The deadlines from ACRA, IRIS, and GST never seem to stop. It feels like the moment that you clear one, another one is already waiting. GST alone can take up hours you would rather spend growing your business. And if you're working with overseas clients, juggling multiple currencies become a headache, manual, error-prone, and just draining. Next slide, please. Think of a company's financial and administrative tasks like a pit stop in a race. Traditionally, this process has been slow, manual, and reactive, like an old garage crew. On the left, you can see the traditional approach. It's manual, it's reactive, and it's error-prone. You are constantly chasing documents, correcting mistakes, and trying to catch up. Now look at the right. This is what we call the race-ready team, a new approach to a pit stop. We are talking about a system where technology and experts are in sync. You get real-time visibility into your financials, so you're always one step ahead. And most importantly, you achieve speed and precision in your operations. This is a shift from a messy, inefficient process to a streamlined strategic one. Next slide, please. In your cockpit view as a founder, you get a fully integrated picture of your business. Automation delivers instant reports, no more waiting weeks for a balance sheet. Compliance is built in with alerts that keep taxes and filings always on time. So the admin burden disappears. And whenever you need it, Experts are on call to guide you the next move. This is the new standard and proactive partnership that lets you focus on what you do the best, growing your business. Now I'll pass the time to Rachel.
Sorry, guys, I had to unmute myself. Am I back on? Okay, awesome. If you haven't heard about Aspire, then I'm going to share a little bit more about us. So Aspire is your all-in-one finance operating system. So think of your business as a high-performance race car. You've got a fantastic engine, a brilliant driver, which is you, and it's a clear path to the finish line. But what's holding you back? Often it's those pit stops that get in the way, the endless admin work and the long hours of bookkeeping. That's where Aspire comes in. We're part of your race team and we're there to help you optimize your performance. At Aspire, we're your all-in-one financial OS or operating system. We offer everything from multi-currency accounts and corporate cards to expense management and help with your cash flow viability. Our goal is to eliminate all the manual work so you can focus on what really matters, which is growing your business. So some of the key benefits for Aspire is our seamless instant sync with OSIM's bookkeeping service. This means no more double data entry, which is very, very frustrating. I have personal experience with this myself, not just as working at Aspire, but as a other business owner as well. We use OSIM for our bookkeeping sync, and this is just a massive time saver. So your payments and expenses will actually automatically sync, giving you real-time visibility on all your spend and a very clear picture of all of your financials. It's very nifty. And this integration is what truly sets us apart, helping you avoid that admin lag and what really, really, slows you down. Next slide, please. Cool. Proof. Right. Sorry, I lost my train of thought there. I know this has proof on the track. Please just don't take my word for it, even though I also have a personal example. We actually have already helped around 50,000 companies just like yours switch gears. And our users have a savings usually of around 100 hours a month, which for some bigger businesses, that's right. Maybe for some, it's a little bit less. And that's simply just by automating their financial processes. So imagine what you could do with that extra 100 hours a month. That's time you can actually spend on strategy, product development, or even just taking a much needed break that you probably deserve. Aspire and OSIM are going to give you that time back, and you really will save so much time and you will be forever grateful. We are helping to scale businesses faster across the region, specifically in Singapore and Hong Kong, by giving them the financial tools and insights they need to make smarter, faster decisions. And then last slide for me, which is like helping to simplify the switch. I know you're probably thinking switching systems does sound like a bit of a nightmare. I get it. I hear you. Me too. Switching, not what I want to do. But it really doesn't have to be. We've actually designed the process to be very, very simple. We offer a very smart, fast, and smooth migration. So your business operations won't need to waste any time. You'll also get a dedicated onboarding crew to help guide you through every step, and we'll help you get your business set up online 100%, which is pretty awesome. And of course, with Aspire, you also have direct integration with OSIM and other leading accounting platforms like Xero, QuickBooks, NetSuite, ensuring your financial records are always caught up in real time. That's all for me.
Thank you so much, Rachel and Sherman, for sharing. So if you'd like to learn more about how we can help you switch and grow your business, we encourage you to book a free consultation call with one of our experts. We will have a QR code available for you in the end that you'll be able to scan and book a call if you want. So now we are going to head into our Q&A session. So if you happen to have anything you'd like to ask either Sherman or Rachel about switching, etc., please drop your questions below and we can get them answered for you. I think we have one already. So the first question is, as a client already with Awesome and Aspire, how do I check if my accounts are integrated? I don't know if you'd like to answer this, Rachel.
I'll answer that for you. Okay, so the integration settings with Aspire and OSM. So to check that, you'd want to be in your Aspire app, and then you would go down. This is just me using my memory here. You're going to need to go down to integrations at the bottom or accounting settings. And down there, you'll be able to select OSM as your integration setting. And that's how you'll check. It wouldn't automatically be there. It is something you need to put in yourself. So yeah, come across the right-hand side, go down to integrations or accounting or exports. It's one of those, just thinking off the top of my head. And then you'll be able to see OSM will be there as an option, and that's how you'll set up that integration. If you do get stuck with that, I'm not sure where I can leave some information, but I can definitely leave a link to the integration for OSM and the FAQs on here. I can try and do that now as well. Otherwise, our support team are able to help, and you can just go into the app, go down to the green button at the bottom of the chat feature, and you can say, how do I connect OSM to my Aspire accounts? And they will send you the link straight away.
Awesome. Thank you, Rachel. I think we have another question here. Someone is asking, can I use existing bookkeeping service with Awesome and Aspire? I don't know if you'd like to answer this, Sherman, or you want to go again, Rachel?
I could probably go again.
Yeah.
It depends what they're using. So if they are using Xero or QuickBooks, then that does integrate seamlessly through Aspire. So that is fine. But also with Aspire, even if you're not using that, you are able to export your data and then upload it into another accounting software if you need to. So we have about 10 different ways for you to export it as well. So you don't have to be stuck with, well, not stuck. You don't have to only be using those big branded names accounting software. We are able to export and other features as well.
Awesome. We have another question coming through. Is it easy to migrate existing accounting? I think this might be maybe for Sherman or Jade.
Hi everyone. I'm Jade, head of accounting here for Global. Yes, it's very easy to migrate to existing accounting. You just need to provide us your financial reports, your corporate documents, whatever we need, and our onboarding team can just help you set up with that. Just give us a call and we'll help you get started. Thanks.
Awesome. Thank you, Jade. We got another question here, and I feel like you might be able to answer this. So it says, if I already came across Awesome and was about to start the business in Singapore with one of the consultants, but because of the busy schedule, I postponed that for months, can I continue the process with the same consultant? He sent me the link before payment to proceed with the company setup.
Yes, definitely. We can continue with that. No issue at all. If you were already on our app, reach out again and we should be able to get back to you within the day or two.
Awesome.
Thank you, Ellie.
I think, thank you. I think that's all we've gotten. I don't know if you guys have any more questions. Don't worry if you haven't written them down, or if you'd like to have a private call, that's completely fine. I would highly encourage you to book a free consultation call with one of our experts so they can personalize the answer for you. So now you might be wondering about one of the special things happening in this webinar. We are giving away 2-day passes to the Formula One Singapore Grand Prix on October 3rd and 4th. So for the chance to win, all you need to do is book a consultation with us through the QR code here. I think if we go to the next slide, you'll be able to see. So basically feel free to scan the QR code. And just so you know, this is an actual race. So only the first 3 people to have scheduled and attend a free consultation will win the pair of tickets. So basically, if you have any questions, I can see another question came through now that hasn't been answered. You might as well just book a call, get the question answered, and then also might get yourself some Formula One tickets. Why not? We will announce the winner by the 30th of September. And if there's one thing to take away today, is that you don't need to stay stuck in the slow lane. With the right tools and the right team, you can trade admin drag for growth speed. So thank you so much, Sherman and Rachel, for joining us today and for sharing your expertise. And thank you all for joining as well. We're here for you. So anything that you might need for your business and growing, let us know, and we'll do our best to help.